Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about fonts in Canva. Now, if you're not familiar with fonts, all a font is text and the style it's in for your document or your design. So first I'm going to talk to you about how to access the fonts and how to filter them. So all you have to do to access a font is add a text box, go up here to the drop-down menu where it says font, and just choose whatever font you want. Now, as you can see, Canva has a vast library of fonts. Now, you can filter them in all kinds of ways. I'm going to go over some basic terms for you. Serif fonts have small lines or strokes on them. Those are called serifs, just the little lines at the ends of the letters. Sans-serif means it doesn't have those serifs on it. Sans means without. Script fonts are just like they sound. They're personal or elegant. They mimic cursive. Display fonts can mean all kinds of things. They're attention grabbing. As you can see, they are very varied. And here I'll show you just how varied they are. Handwriting fonts can look like anything from finger painting to crayon to cursive. And monospace fonts are more like your typewriter, your computer font. Now you can also type whatever your imagination wants into Canva. I'm going to type Western and look, all kinds of Western fonts. And then I'm going to type Christmas. Okay, next I want to talk to you about the importance of contrast. You want your document to be easy to read, especially from a distance. So I'm going to make this a very light gray, and I'm going to make this font white. Very difficult to read, even more so if I make this cursive. Almost impossible to read, especially from a distance. All right, now I'm going to use the same gray, and I'm going to make this a blocky black. Okay, you can read this from just about anywhere, or I can. Font pairing is extremely important. Font pairing can make the difference between a put-together look and one that's not really that professional looking. Just find a template you like. See how they've used cursive and sans-serif? Here too, this is a script and a serif font. Now, people that create these templates have done all the legwork for you to pair these fonts, so if they think they go well together, they're designers, trust them. Another way that you can pair fonts is to go to Design and Styles, and you're going to scroll down to where it says Font Sets and see All. And they have put together a grouping of fonts that will work well together. So let's just click on a few. Okay, here they've put together Western font, a sans serif, another sans serif. Let's see which one that is. That's Collective, and that is as well. Here is another one. It's kind of fun. Fredoka. They're all sans serif, but often a serif and a sans serif go well together. So here are just a few that they've put together. Now we'll go into how to save fonts. Now this way you're going to need 2 pages. I'm not sure why, but this is how Canva works. It's a Canva quirk, but I'm going to take this first page and see where I've written my favorite fonts. And then down here I've chosen 5 that I thought looked pretty good. A Christmas one, a Western one, cursive, and a decorative font. Now I'm going to go to my projects, my favorite fonts, and if I were going to type something new, go to my fonts, and it's going to keep. These are my document fonts. Or I could also just look at what these are, but that is one way to save your favorite fonts. Now the other way involves Pro version, and that is Brand Kit. Anytime you see this crown, that means it's Pro. So if you click on Brand Kit, you can choose the font you want to use. Now most documents have a heading, a subheading, and body, especially web documents if you're doing a website. So we're going to click on Heading and choose the font that we want. Now I've already chosen the size, but under Fonts, I'm going to click something nice and sans serif, so I've chosen Babus New. Okay, subheading, I've chosen a nice serif font, so Helvetica is a good one. And body, I've chosen Georgia. Let's go Georgia Pro. All right, now let's put these to work. I'm going to create a design, text, and instead of adding a text box, here we have heading, subheading, a body. So I'm going to click on heading. There we go, there's that Babus New we chose. Subheading. Okay, now see how that's wrapped around? We're going to pull these bars, these handles, until it's the width we want. And body, or Georgia Pro. And I forgot to mention subheading was Helvetica Now that we chose. All right, this was just a brief overview of fonts in Canva. If you found value from this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. See you later.